This I make hummus hot sauce.
Homemade hot sauce.
Homemade hot sauce. Homemade sauce. Hey guys, I'm making hot sauce. And today, I just said hot sauce away. So this is
Habanero.
habanero, jalapeno,
That's serrano.
serrano, and bell pepper.
Yeah.
And if you don't have a Nissa, buy a blender to blend this up. And we get this from a garden, or you could get it from a store.
That's right.
And so I'm painting all of them in here and here. So let's do it.
Nice.
One more, Pops?
All of
Okay. I'm going crazy
them.
with this hot sauce.
Oh, they fit, that is.
Smash,
No,
smash.
that's good. They're not gonna fit. Yeah.
Pops, can you put this on, please?
Yes, I can.
Daddy is putting this on. You can see his hands. And he tasted it out on a spoon knife, and we almost killed ourselves with it. It was that bad. Oh, it's super good. Yeah, we did it because the thing was give me off. It was good away, Pops. Shaking. It was good. Now I go the vinegar in. Only 1 cup of vinegar. My dad just did because I don't know how to. So 3, 2, 1, and go. It smells like hot sauce. Oh, I'm dying away. So we re-blend it.
Put the rest of the peppers in there.
Okay. People do not smell it. It smells so good. The cut up peppers too. These ones too.
Oh.
Okay. This is the goodest one that you get. Oh. Well, it's good. It's actually bad because the smell is bad. And you want to sink the peppers into the hot sauce. You see, they are folding away. That is good. Okay. Oh, it will like a smoothie. That is good for good for the Nissa because it will like a smoothie, and it's green hot sauce. The last time we made hot sauce, it wasn't real. My dad just made it, and it tastes really good. It's so.
Nice.
Wow. Okay. I smell vinegar.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. So we could put it in here. Whoa, look at that. Whoa, it was like green so bad. I need a spoon to mix it up. So look at that green stuff. That's good. And Pops is getting a spoon. I call him Pops. You can call your dad anything you want.
And don't forget to turn on the oven.
And don't forget turn on the oven. Smell it, Grandma. It smells good, right? Smells like hot Yeah, yeah, bell peppers in it.
You turn that oven on high, right?
Yeah. And
How you know when it's done?
for 15 minutes it's done. So you pour it back into the mixer, then you twist it all up, then it's so hot. So you put it in here. So hot. And it's done. You twist it back over. So you put it back on here. Whoa. Then more heating. You can see the steam. That's good. So now a dash of salt. Now you can put in this bottle. Hot sauce, hot sauce, hot sauce, hot sauce. Do I like hot sauce? Myself like that. Hot sauce, hot sauce, hot sauce, hot sauce. So you wait for it to stop bubbling. You wait for it to stop boiling. And then you mix it all again. I got it. So you mix it like this, get the size, get the meal, get everywhere. You want all the hot sauce. And then you shake it all up and you do the hokey pokey. So you wait for the bubbles to stop boiling and you mix it for the heat, the hot sauce heat, for the hot sauce heat. And you mix it and mix it and mix it. This is how you make the. So you see the bubbles going. So you mix it all up. So
While you eat them crackers, huh?
yeah. So you turn it on. And you wait for the bubbles on it stop bubbling.
Okay.